So, good morning, all of you. My name is Shivam Kumar. I am an artificial intelligence engineer in Robosiddhi. Today, I am going to start a new series regarding Python. It's approx 60 days series. Mm, every week, we will upload approx 5 to 7 videos. Okay. So, few things before starting anything you want to learn. Mostly, I do the same. Okay. Three question: what, why to use, and where to use. These three questions I always ask. Okay. So, what is Python? First of all, Python is a programming language. If you all heard about programming language, okay, simple like C++, Java, C, and many more, Shift, many more are there. But we are going to start with Python today. Okay. So, Python is a popular, sorry, Python is a popular programming language created by Gordon Ventroso. Okay, it is created by 1991. Here, 1991. It is created in Netherlands. In some lab, it's created. Okay, because that time not much language are there. Okay, it is created for the simple use. Python is a general purpose language, programming language, mostly general purpose. It's used for general purpose. Okay, it is high level language, which means it's easy to understand. It is called high level language, but it's so simple. If you are say thinking it's a high level language, maybe it's difficult to learn. No, it's very simple. If you follow the process, you will easily learn this. Okay, most important, I worked with C++ for 2 years approx and Java for 1.5 years. Okay. C++ has its own syntax. Okay. And Java has its own syntax. Their syntax are different. But in Python, simply we will print today. Okay. We do not follow any syntax or any procedure to write code. If in C++ we have to print hello world, okay, hello world, you have to follow something. Now you have to write whole procedure, hashtag, include, IO studio, something like that. But in Python, you have to simply write print hello world. So simple it is. When I started, now I started with C++. I literally worked for 2 years. Then I switched to Python because I have always an interest in artificial intelligence and machine learning. You are all heard about this two topic because it's so popular nowadays because of Google Gemini, Anthropic, ChatGPT mostly. It's so popular. So I switched my career. I started in this. I don't switch means I just started my career. I want to pursue my career in artificial intelligence. That's why I switched. Because if you want to become a data scientist or artificial or ML engineers like that, you start from here. You first you have to learn Python. After that, SQL, many things are there. Power BI is different things, but you have to start with Python. Okay. So simple. What is Python? We are focusing. So Python is a dynamic. So Python is a dynamically typed. No need to declare data types. Okay. It's not basically like you have to declare data types like a string and something like C++. If you are aware of another languages, you will understand why it is called so simple. Okay. So next thing is why choose Python over C++ and Java. Simple and easy to learn. Let me code it. Okay. Uh, I started with Thony. We will talk about later this platform. Okay. Let me start. Okay. This is UI of Thony. Okay. Let print hello world. Printing this hello world. Run simply F5 maybe. Hello world. Simple is that. If let me show. Okay. Let's open ChatGPT. Okay. Let me declare you why it is simple. Okay. Write hello world in C++, Java. Okay. And C. Okay. Sorry, not right. Okay. I take this print. Okay. But here you can see, you know these things. Okay. Here you can see C++ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. Java 1, 2, 3. Syntax here 6. Public state you have to define these things. Okay. In C hashtag include studio. Everywhere is in three. These three. Okay. You see that there are minimum of 4 line of code, 4 to 5 line of code. But in simple in Python, you only write 1 line of code. That much this is simple. Okay. So back to our slides. Platform independent. It doesn't matter you are working on Windows, Linux, or Mac, anything. It's very easy. You can download and run this. Okay, free and open source. It's available everywhere. You can go to Chrome and download this. Okay, in interpreted language. Okay, it's execute line by line code. Means if you write a whole project. Okay, it's approx 60 lines are there. Okay, so if you execute, it's execute one by one every line. It's not like that. It takes so much of time, but it's run one by one. Okay, every line one by one. So if there is a mistake, it's simply give a error. You can go to terminal and check where is the error, and that you can correct it. Okay, interpret large library community. It's very important if you are in data science, if you want to pursue here, and then you have to use pandas, numpy, and so much of libraries are there. They are make so easy. If these libraries are not there, then you have to write whole process. It's take a lot of time, but due to its library and its community, it's helped so much. Okay, for portable and reversed, portable and flexible. Okay, reversed and reliable. These two things we will not discuss here. Okay, I don't discuss these things here. In further classes, when we code, then we discuss this. Ignore this, don't ignore, but remember this. Okay, now third, applications. Most important, why we are learning. If something has to not, we are not going to use in future, why we are learning. Okay, so if you want to pursue your career in web development, this. Okay, if you want to build a desktop application, then we use Python. Gaming, okay, artificial intelligence and machine learning, already said, data science, IoT, means you are everything, everywhere. If you are want to build this thing, you want to pursue your career and you want to learn something new in this all field, you have to learn Python. If you are want to become engineer, any engineer, okay, then you should know Python. Simple. Python, you can do DSA easily. You don't understand DSA right now, but in future you definitely going to see this term DSA. Okay, so be prepared, follow my instruction for next 60 days and you will become pro in this Python. Simple. Not much. I will not going to teach you more thing. You simple few things you are going to learn and you have to implement. You have to follow my instruction. Then you will become pro in this field. Okay. So thank you. That's all. We will meet in next class. We will talk about VS Code. If someone know, and Thony. Okay. Why? Because we are going to work on Thony. Why not VS Code? We will discuss in next class everything. Okay. So thank you. That's all for today.